Once you receive your Vectis automation welding system, you'll need to locate the setup guide. The setup guide may be on the inside or the exterior of your packaging. The setup guide will lead you through the setup process. The cover of the setup guide will describe which system you've purchased. Each system configuration will have slightly different steps. If, if there appears to be a problem with your system or shipping damage, reach out to our support team. Inside the setup guide, there are multiple QR codes that will take you to the Vectis Training Academy. You can also navigate to vectisautomation.com/training. For security purposes, you'll need to provide the serial number, which is located on the silver placard of your UR cabinet. Once you are enrolled, you'll have full access to the training material and videos. In the DIY setup course, you should pick and choose which lessons to watch based on your system configuration. A downloadable version of the setup guide is also provided. Not all lessons will apply to you. Supplementary teaching is available in the lower section. Once setup is complete, it's time to learn how to program the system. The User Guide and Vectis Training Academy will help teach you about the system. As always, for one-on-one guidance, reach out to your Vectis support personnel or email training@vectisautomation.com.